Why is everyone sleeping on the Google Nest Hub? So I've been working from home a lot more during this whole pandemic, COVID world we live in now. So I've been slowly iterating over my gaming and productivity workspace over the last year and a half. And one of the newest things I've picked up is this Google Nest Hub. And I think it's the most underrated piece of tech I've gotten for my setup to date. The Google Nest Hub Gen 2 is jam-packed with a lot of features that are going to make you love your desk setup even more. It's got a 7-inch display with a 1024 by 600 resolution. It comes with built-in Google Assistant, so it syncs up all your Google calendars, all your notes, all your lists, everything. And the speaker's not bad as well. Look, the speaker's a bit on the smaller side, and this thing doesn't boast to be an amazing speaker, but everything I've listened to on it sounds really, really good. Like all the deep bassy videos that I've watched, all the lo-fi, the D&B, look, I've loved it. Along with the display, it's got a built-in Chromecast as well, so you can be watching Netflix, Spotify, if you watch podcasts and that on Spotify, YouTube, Disney Plus, all those good things on the Nest Hub as well. And look, I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, Storky, isn't this just a glorified speaker? Look, can your speaker do this? Okay, Google, play The Avengers on Disney Plus.
Got it. Playing The Avengers on Disney Plus.
Ha! No, it can't. Now, I know this sounds overkill, but look, I'm a software engineer and I sit at my desk all day and I love to have like Netflix or a YouTube video or a podcast running in the background. Look, and I already maxed out my MacBook already to the point where I think it's going to take off and fly away sometimes. Because I'm running a big beefy workload, I need all the resources I can get on my PC or my Mac that I work with. So having a dedicated screen and speaker there doing all the work for me really made me feel a lot better. And honestly, you'll be surprised at how much another Google Chrome tab takes in terms of room space. Like, it's just dumb. And if anyone doesn't know how Chrome works, each tab in Chrome basically is another whole instance of Chrome. It just sucks. But besides that, this thing is just really good looking to have on your desk. It has an amazing like clock face on it. You can have your pictures rotating across it all the time. So having this nice picture frame screen on your desk complements the whole setup really well for me. And besides all that, like, it's really nice to be able to play music or a YouTube video or Netflix without having to turn on my whole setup. Like, sometimes I want to sit here and just write some stuff down or ideas in my book. And if I want to listen or watch anything in the background, like, I have to turn my PC on the whole time. So to have this Google Nest Hub there doing all that for me, it really makes me feel complete, a little bit more complete with my setup. And look, it might be overkill, but this thing only cost $149 regularly, and I got this on a sale that is going right now for $77. So I was thinking about it for a while, and when it dropped half price, done deal, give it to me. So this is 100% worth it in my opinion. So the Google Nest Hub Gen 2 is on sale now for $77 on the Google website, JB Hi-Fi if you live in Australia. So if you're looking for a tech Christmas gift for someone to add to their setup to make it feel a bit more modern, a bit more complete, I don't know why I said that. The Google Nest Hub Gen 2 is an amazing pickup, and for $77, it's a super cheap buy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, please like, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any pieces of tech that you would add to your setup or think I should add to my setup and want to review. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you feel really nice and you want to spoil me for Christmas, like the video, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below if there's any pieces of tech that you think I should try for my setup and you'd like to see a review of. But besides that, go follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting videos and dumb content on there. TikTok, all that good jazz. But anyway, until then, see you next time. Bye! I don't know. I don't know if I like that. Do I like saying goodbye like that? I don't know. Anyway, just go pick this up for $77 and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.